What's up, guys? It's September 25th, 2024. Had a sideways day and then a range bound day in the markets. Yeah, the bear channel today had a lot of overlap, so I don't think it was the strongest. This is the bar in question. This is the overnight price action. I was looking at the overnight price action. It looks strong enough for a second leg on that EMA touch right here. Maybe we see a down leg. This leg will be strong enough for leg two. It failed and goes. That's the overnight session. So here we are on the daily. Bad fall through for the bulls at highs. Again, they want to see a close above September 19th, and they want to see a strong close. We're getting closer to it. We can see a leg one, pull back. Leg one, pull back. Leg two, pull back. Will leg three go or fail, or will leg three go? Boom. I don't know what's going to happen. What I do know is we're trading at range. We've had a lot of overlap these last couple of days. Bears have been putting in just as much bars under the EMA as bulls have above. Put in a bear channel. Been in a bull channel. All bull channels have bear breakouts eventually. We're trading at channel lows, so maybe we test channel highs. Bar one, that's 78. Where's bar one? Bar one's right here. Bar one, strong bull body with a tail top. Not the best close, but we're closing above the midpoint. Bar two, bad follow through. Bar three is a sub bar. Leg one for the bears, pull back. Bar five, leg two. So let me point that out. What did I just say? Leg one, pull back, leg two. Then we get a bull rally, including yesterday's price action. I see this as three legs. I did get trapped at highs, but I got out pretty quick. So leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. And just for today's price action, if we're range bound, leg one, pull back, leg two, second leg trap, wedge top, higher high, double top, however you want to call it. The point is that bulls that got trapped here are getting out here on this leg, and that creates a sell right here. Then we have to ask ourselves, is this leg strong enough to get its own leg too? Well, bar 9 sold off and pulled back here. Then we got to sell off here. Bar 10 rallied to the high here and sold off bar 12. So we have an implied wedge bottom that leads to a small two bar pullback. So bulls get leg one, pull back leg two. And bears get their second leg down. 2 seconds. So the market's moving in rotations, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Then we have the implied leg one, leg two, leg three. Then we have leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. I think this bar is strong enough to get its own leg two move for the bulls, and it did somewhat here. Leg one, trading range, deep pullback, leg two, deep pullback, leg three, trading range. Bulls are failing to make new highs. EMA started to act more as resistance, and we get a double top 26, 27. Testing the lows of 20. We're testing the low of 20. We had a breakout bar of 21, so this is a bad signal bar, and they usually get retested. That gets retested here, and it sells off. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. But to really count legs and trading ranges, it's important. We count a lot of implied legs too in trading ranges. There's a lot of overlap in this leg. I think it was pretty hard to hold. And we gradually sell off lower. 41, we break below the higher time from EMA. Or excuse me, 42, we break below the higher time from EMA. 43 sells off and reverses higher. I think we had a lot of overlap anyways from bar 78 this low. We were in a trading range. And then it starts to pick up momentum like one, like two. Then a very deep pullback puts us. This can be a bull channel on a smaller time frame. So let's just highlight the bars. Go to the 1 minute. So you see how there's a bull channel here. There's a bull channel. So there's a bull channel within a trading range. There's a bull channel within a bear trend. So that means this could be the start of a trading range. Because we don't get bull channels in trading range in bear trends. So it's an implied bull channel too, It's a tail that starts down here, it ends up here. I think this was strong for its own leg two. I went short on this close. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Leg one, strong enough for its own leg two. So leg one, pull back, leg two. And this leg two had a leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. Double bottom at lows, it fails. just like right here, bad breakout bar. 52 is a bad breakout bar. 53 is breaking out strong. It's breaking. It's not a breakout. It's a buy vacuum into the EMA. 54 is the breakout bar, but it fails. 55. Strong sell leg 1, pullback leg 2. Testing the lows here. Could say we're testing this. Could testing the 43 low. This reverses. So this leg just got its leg 2. Second leg trap. I got caught on this bar thinking we were gonna vacuum up to bar 1. Second leg trap. Always in short. We've had over 10 bars on the EMA. There was one gap open here, I think, and there's a lot of overlap. I think this leg is shot to get its own leg 2. Leg 1, deep pullback, delayed pullback. Leg 2, leg 1, we're in a trading range, deep pullback, delayed pullback. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2. This leg 2 gets its own 2-legged pullback. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, and we rally for the rest of the day. This is interesting price action because the bar starts small, inside bar. We're in trading range, we're making higher lows. We start to rally. And now if you think about the overnight price action, kind of looks all right. Probably these 3 bars trying for its own leg down. So if I was to trade this, I'd look for a leg up, pull back, some sort of second failure, high 2, and go. We could be range bound. So overnight price action. Don't really recommend trading it, but if you have a conviction and you understand breakouts, that's really there. All is to it is understanding a breakout, and once you get that, I think you're really rocking and rolling. I'm still studying them. Prior to this last week or two, I've been trading breakouts and leg 1s, but I'm shifting my focus to trading just leg 2s. I'm getting too chopped up looking for major reversals, so gonna wait for the major reversal to take place and see if I can get on the second leg. Be interesting to see. I already have taken a couple profitable trades, taken a couple break-even trades, and I will say I prefer leg 2 trades over catching leg 1 because it's going with it. One type of trade is kind of catch the momentum. The other trade is just going with the momentum. Where am I in my trading? I think it makes more sense to be going with the momentum right now. So you'll be seeing me talk about a lot more leg 1, leg 2 breakdowns just like this. Everything was broken down to leg 1, leg 2 today. I tried to do it leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, wedge bottom, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, double top bear flag here. 22 got its own leg 1 here. This got its own leg 1 here. Excuse me, leg 1, pull back leg 2, limit order. I think it's very hard to do. You have to be a very skilled trader to take that. I only short below the EMA, only buy above the EMA, so that's something to take note of. If you are trying to buy the dip, maybe make a rule of no more longs below the EMA. Anyways, I hope you guys had a good one. I hope you guys are learning. I hope you guys are studying. I appreciate everyone showing some support, talking in Discord. Hope you guys have a good one. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.